well, it's gonna suck making this video, but actually I like this car. It's really cool. So I'm driving now. I'm getting used to it. It's a bumpy, windy road. The camera's gonna fall off the dash. So we're gonna talk more about this. Well, it'll probably be tomorrow, but to you guys, it'll be, well, right now. Good morning, everybody. I don't know what time it is. It's 5:30, 6 o'clock, Sunday morning. Couple chickens out in the park. I figure we take a second to talk about this thing. I got this. I don't think I've shared the video yet. If you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you've seen it. But this is a 2009 Smart 4.2 Passion model. I love this car. It's a lot of fun to drive. It's a little dirty now, but it really is immaculate other than the dirt and dust. Excuse me. It's a little dark in here to see right now, but it's got 65,000 original miles. Oh, that's I put a forward and reverse facing dash camera in it. There's like no cargo space back there. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, there's like nothing in there, but I like it. It runs good. So I converted the blinkers, front and rear, tail light, brake light, backup lights, all to LED. I just did that yesterday. I still need to do the marker lights. I need to do the side blinkers, and the headlights. But anyway, not too much to say about it other than I really enjoy it. It's fun. It's like a little go-kart to drive around. And you'll see out there, we'll talk about that in another video. Boy, those chickens are cackling out there. I bought that RAV4 for my son to be his first car. And the truck is gone. You'll probably notice the truck is gone. My old truck, I got rid of it. I gave it away. I gave it to my brother. He came by and picked it up yesterday, so he'll get some good use out of that. With my new truck there, I really don't. The old one it did more sitting than anything else, so I gave it to him, and like I said, he'll get some good use out of it. So anyway, let's go find some work to do. I've already got a couple things in mind.